All right, friends, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to format the memory card on this Sony RX100 Mark III. It's a really simple process. Let's go ahead and do that right now. Okay, in order to format the memory card, all we're going to need to do is turn the camera on here. And I actually have this in the default settings, so I'm going to hit cancel on this and scroll through this screen. And this should look familiar to you. This is basically just my default setup on the screen. So what I'm going to do is actually come over here to this menu button. I'm going to click on that. Now, once we're in our menu option, make sure you're up there at the top. And using the scroll wheel, you can actually make sure, again, you're up and highlighted on one of the menu options. And I'm going to actually press the right arrow on the wheel and move all the way over to the settings box. Once I'm there, I'm going to scroll down. And then again, I'm going to move through the sub-menus up here at the top until I get to this one right here. This would be number 4 on the default menu. I'm going to scroll down now to the format option. I'm going to hit the middle button. And again, it's going to ask us, hey, all data is going to be deleted. Are you sure you want to format? I'm going to scroll up to enter, press that. As you can see, it's formatting the memory card now. And I only have a couple of little videos and a picture on here, so this is going to be really fast for me. If you have a large memory card, this process can actually take a few minutes to actually do. So again, just give it a little bit of patience here. And once the formatting is complete, you'll get that message and it'll go back to our menu. Once you want to get out of that, you just hit the menu button again and you're ready to point and shoot. All right, friends, I hope that has helped. If it has, would you hit that thumbs up button and subscribe? We got a lot more camera, iPhone, all sorts of computer tutorial videos coming up real soon.